Here we are going to create Gantt chart. The chart created based on dates is known as Gantt chart. So first and foremost, I'll insert a blank stacked chart from here. Blank stacked. Okay. Now, once you observe the table here, the name of the tasks have been given, and correspond to this task, the start of date and days to complete have been also kept. Now, as usual, we'll right click, then we'll choose select data, then add, and in the series values we'll insert the dates. Okay. Thereafter, same way, go to add, series values, in place of series values insert days to complete. Okay. Here the dates having been placed at the bottom of the chart, and this the value of these dates is being represented by blue color, but we don't need the value of dates, we need mark of the dates. We need that mark of the dates, not the value of the dates. So what shall we do? We right click on the date bar, then choose format data series. Right click, format data series, and choose no fill. Okay. Then we want the minimum date at the leftmost side of the chart. So we will find out the minimum date value from this chart, that is 13 February, and we will convert into numerical value. Now we are going to bring this date marks to this minimum date. So we will right click, format axis, type this minimum date 44970 and press enter. Okay. What has happened? The date mark is placed at the leftmost side of the chart. Now I can extend it to somewhere. I can extend it, and I can place the values of these bars. Okay. Here you can observe one thing still left, that is labeling. Select data, choose edit, choose a task. Here you can observe that task 1 was started on the 13th February and ended between 17 and 19, that is on the 18th. Same way, task 2 started on the 23rd February and ended on the 26th, because it took 3 days to complete. Got it? Okay.